2, 1.
Alright there. Alright, is it done?
Yep. It just the video's just like 10 minutes of you driving around in the helicopter. Fuck! All of that time for nothing. It's kind of actually laughing.
So
Do you want to do that again? You could do like a super jump, like practice jumping with your no clip, like what I did. You see this? Yeah, like that. You just like, ooh. So, ooh. And you just like start no clipping around it. Whee! Wait, make the chair invisible. Make the chair invisible, and then use the pod, so it looks like he's holding on to it better. Yeah.
What want me to do? Put the pod.
Attach the rope to like the side, so it looks like, you know. And then attach. Oh no, just make it look like he's holding it.
Oh, alright, yeah.
Put it slightly behind him too, because his hands are slightly behind. It looks so stupid, but it'll be cool. That he looks like a missile. He looks like a missile. Wait, no. If he does that, if he does the chat thing, if he enables chat, it looks better. Do that again, Kurt. Like, whilst you're on the seat, press the chat key so it looks like you're holding on to it. Can you put it like onto the side of his hand that goes up? Yeah. To the left of his head, by there. You see that? Keep like that, Kurt. Stay like that, Kurt. Yes, that's perfect. That's perfect. Right, do chat again. Do chat again. Yeah, that looks good. That looks better. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes.
Alright, let's do the scene.
Alright. That's all you have to do. Just if you miss it, we'll restart.
It's like a team.
Wait. Okay. Alright.
Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was good as well. Alright. Also, you should make it go forward so it looks more like an actual helicopter. Like tilt to the left of where it is right now. You get me? Just no. It's like right to like aim for the wing basically. Aim for like the wheel on the wing. You get me? Aim for under the wing, and you're set.
Can we just make the pod light visible?
No. Try a bit much. Try a bit more.
Because it's like better when it's visible.
Actually, lower it a bit and then add the rope so it looks more like he has a rope. Yeah. Rather than him just flying away, like a spaz.
Alright, it's still now. It's still.
Make the rope longer. Make it slightly longer so it looks like he's holding into a rope. You get me? Put it like about here-ish. It'll be easier to land on too because you'll see the rope. It's a win-win situation. And when you're doing it, press the chat key. Oh my god. Like, no clip into it rather than around it. Wait, press chat. Close enough. Close enough. Alright, that's good then. Do you want to practice doing that a bit, or are you ready? Can you spam E? Is there like a delay before you can exit? Maybe you should put it above him. And then he does another jump whilst you're above him. Because that's how the scene plays out, yeah?
I know, that's why Anakin, because Anakin made it Lucius. Alright, I'll put it closer.
Yeah, put it like above and slightly back. Like
So.
here. Ish. Good? Perfect. Oh, he jumps into the helicopter. Playtime's over, Jack!
Alright, let's get it, like...
Yeah, that's easy.
Where's your talking arm? Where's your talking arm, dude, again?
It's like... it looks so goofy. Yeah, that's perfect! Okay, you just fucked that up that time. That's good! Oh, that's beautiful. We all fight our own fight.
Now go on.
Alright, are we ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. 5. Oh yeah. Obviously we need a victim. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fuck off! What happened then?
Did you leave it frozen?
Restart, please.
I can't believe we restarted because of something like that.
What's wrong with it?
Wait, check what's wrong with it. Technical problem.
Well,
Didn't
it's
you
'cause
weld
it's
it?
welded.
Yeah.
Welded.
Alright. We ready then?
Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1. I love how it just floats back with eyeless eyes. Wait. Okay. Can I move this thing, this cube?
Yeah.
Alright. 3, 2. Wait, I'll get a bit of height. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, you fucked up now. You fucked up now. No, you fucked it. You fucked.
Shit.
If you miss the first jump, it's fucked.
Oh, fuck. Wait, let me get it set up. It's hard to keep it fucking still. Can we make the pod visible, please?
Well, we're doing fine. Are you sure?
Yeah, just make it visible, because then it's like easy.
It'd look cooler because it would look so weird. Like he could see it. Like he knows where it is. He just like misses it, you know.
Should I double rope it?
Oh yeah. It's all yours, Sam. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I actually can't. I can't keep it still.
It was almost. It was almost. It was almost.
I need
You
to-
can add another on the other side to counterbalance. Yeah? Good idea?
No, I'll just keep it like this.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.